guys, welcome to a very simple presentation of the Crowd1 concept. My name is Alex. I have been a member in this company since it started in 2019, early 2019. When I first had a look at this concept, I had a really strong gut feeling for Crowd1. I understood directly that this was something above the ordinary, but simpler than anything that I ever looked at before. So the founder of Crowd1 is Jonas Werner. He is a flagship in itself within the networking and marketing business. He has more than 20 years experience in this, and for the past years he and his team has been building and developing this idea and the technical aspects of Crowd1. The company's CEO is Johan Stahl von Holstein. He is an icon within the IT business. He has founded and taken 3 previous companies to the Nasdaq stock exchange. It's Icon Media Labs, iCube, Let's Buy It. You probably have heard a few of these. Right now, Johan is focusing to take Crowd1 to the stock exchange. Another thing that is really cool about Crowd1 is that the whole team is based in Sweden. The developers of the platform is also sited in Stockholm in Sweden. So that's really, really cool. Complete Swedish entrepreneurial quality in this project. So what is Crowd1 and how does it work? The easiest way to understand Crowd1 is to look at already established centralized platforms. So on the left side we have platforms where the companies itself do all the advertising so that you and me find our way there, and they connect external companies. A good example is Spotify. We pay directly to Spotify, right? And Spotify in turn spreads out the payment to the artists that we listen to. Spotify keeps a small part of every transaction. This is the business idea of a centralized marketplace. The same thing is with Uber and hotels.com. They don't own taxis or hotels, so they just facilitate the transfer